This test uses HRC65 ball and mills, R0.52 hours and R0.22 hours single crystal, and mills to perform high-precision machining of beryllium copper materials. The machining equipment is a Roke high-speed machine, with a spindle speed of 60,000 revolutions per minute, and oil mist cooling. The test results show that the machine surface can achieve a mirror effect without subsequent polishing. And the surface roughness raw value is stable between 0.03 - 0.05. Which fully verifies the excellent performance of the tool in high-finish machining of beryllium copper.